Hello friends, my name is Jobin. Here I am introducing a new platform, LaFlux. LaFlux is a hybrid platform built with Laravel 5.3. It's not just another CMS. It's actually a different platform than a CMS. Most of the CMS now available with Laravel is based on predefined structures, like they have customizations in the Laravel core. Not in core actually, it's in Laravel folder structure, but here we are introducing a different platform, exactly same folder structure as Laravel, all the features same as Laravel, plus it gives some advantages like easy CRUD management, ACL manager, and a full-fledged admin dashboard. Actually this is one of our products, Laravel admin dashboard. You can purchase it from our website extensionvalley.com. It has a lot of features. It's a rapid development tool for your next applications. You can see a front end and back end demo here. Once we log into backend, you will be able to see the features available with these platforms. You can check the basic access control system. This has a lot of features like menu manager, banner, modules, pages, user panel, etc. All this can be managed, view, add, edit, delete, role-wise customizations. Actually, these are the user groups available. The user groups and user management system is available with this dashboard itself. Also, you will be able to add packages from back office like popular CMS, Joomla and WordPress. You will be able to install the packages or update the packages from back office. You will be able to see all the installed packages here, and there are different types of packages available here. Also, this menu manager can be managed your site front end menu, and banner component can be used for creating some beautiful slideshows. And module manager, actually this gives different template positions, assignments, and all kind of things. We can go through this later. On pages will be used to display the content of your menu items. When you visit the front end, you will be see this is our platform homepage. It's actually built with LaFlux, the same platform we are using. Okay, just now let's go to the installation of our dashboard module to a fresh Laravel versions. Here I am going to check out a fresh version of Laravel. I am using my home directory's development folder for checking out new Laravel versions. Here I am also we are using the latest version of Laravel, so the compatibility of Laravel is required 5.6 version of PHP. Also another requirements like composer installs, all kind of things. That is already I am installed, so I am not worried about those things. First I installed the Laravel installer, and it will be Laravel is available with my command line. You can see, yeah, this it's available, so I can develop a new application just like test app. So it will craft the applications, and entire packages will be downloaded. Okay, it will take a little bit time. Meanwhile, I will explain a few of the structures available in our platforms. Okay, this is the admin sections. You can see the groups. Yeah, this is actually available lot of features like inbuilt jQuery data tables. It actually gives facility to sort, search everything without page refresh. Also the paginations, and you will be able to download or copy or print the rows are displaying here. Yeah, this command is completed, so we can move to our installation procedure. Yes, it's check out all the pages, all the components, and created an env for me. So I just go to the test app folder and make sure you have set the permission for storage folder is 777 as per the Laravel documentation. Okay, so now it's fine. Now I have to look into turn on my editor, one of my favorite text editor. It's Sublime. Here I will add my project, so I have to go to my project folder. It's development and it's test app, so I just drag it into my text editor, and here the env you can set the database details. I am creating new database as test app, and here I am using root as my username, and password is also same. Yeah, this rest of the things are fine. Anything else you need to configure here, you can configure it here for the testing purpose. Now it's fine for these things. Now I have to create one of the database called host. Yes, in PHP my admin I have to create a database test app. Make sure the name you are given in this thing and the database is exactly same. Just create it. Okay, now it's good. Okay, here I'm using Fedora workstation for development purpose. So I have to create a virtual domain for my applications. So I prefer virtual host configurations. You can use virtual host configuration according to your platform. It's a Debian or Red Hat or even Windows. So just in my case, it's actually in host file, host folder, host file. I have to create a virtual domain and point it to my working directory. So here I am giving text app.app as the URL. Now I have to set the virtual configuration files that is available in Fedora with the etc httpd conf.d folder. I already created a file called workspace config, so I can add my rules here. Here I am just creating a new virtual host as test app.app, and its path is in development folder. I created it as test app folder. It's under public. So another rule I have to set is this one. It's a virtual host configurations. Here also I have to give test app, and here also test app, and here too test app. Okay, now the configuration looks great, and I can close it. Make sure you have restart the system ctl httpd restart is the command for restarting the Apache server. I'm just running it. httpd unknown operation httpd. Oh, so the syntax will be restart httpd. Okay, now you can see that the Apache is taking a little bit time for restarting. If there is any configuration error in our file, it will point out, and it will return an error. Otherwise it will restart successfully. So here we can go to our browser. I give it as test app.app. Here you can see the new Laravel version is ready. Now we can install our admin dashboard component, that is here. From our platform you can download. It's very cheap in price. It's only $18. With this price you will get a rapid tool for building your large scale applications. Laravel is very powerful for large scale applications with PHP, like ERP or some other complicated applications. So this platform is very good for developing such kind of applications. This dashboard gives a rapid step to your development, because it has a lot of features built in. You will be able to extend the features existing of this platform. So once you download our package, you will get two things, like a documentation and a dashboard zip. The documentation is self-explained, and it has a lot of detailed documentation available, how the platform is going to be installed to the system. I just following these instructions for your easy integrations. So first I have to create a directory called packages in my Laravel folder. Here I am using development folder, desktop. This is the root folder. I have to create a folder called packages. Inside that I have to create a folder as vendor name. Our vendor name is extensions valley. Make sure the case sensitive, so the folder name is case sensitive. Now I have to paste the folder dashboard. This is the zip file you will get. You have to paste it. Once you open, the entire package structure is here. You don't need to bother about the structure right now. Now you have to go to command line and make sure inside the root folder, that is text app, you have to give the permission chmod -r 777 to packages folder. Now the packages folder is ready. You can give this packages folders permission before copying the dashboard files also. That does not make any issue to the applications. Now the packages folder is with correct permission. Now we can just go through this documentation. Introduction, installation using this package, updates and all things are available here. You have to make sure the storage folder is writable and env with the proper Laravel database configurations. Extract the packages to packages directory. Yeah, that we already did. Now the composer.json and config app you have to modify. Actually composer.json you have to add our packages autoload class. Another thing is configuration, you have to add few objectives. Another thing is config auth. Here we are managing this package to admin dashboard sections with a different guard settings. So you have to set a different guard that will also gives the facility to log in the front end and back end at the same time using different session. This kernel modification is also required. This is for our middleware management. These are few simple files. You will be able to easily manage it. First of all we can check our dependencies. We have one dependent package called Yajara database tables. So I have to add this and another thing is Laravel collective HTML. First I have to add these things in my composer.json inside this section. Requirements. This is the dependency of our packages. Once you added this, you can just update it with composer update command. Yeah, it will take a little bit time. By the time we can do the rest of the things. Here we are going to use our dependency. Our dependency is adding this autoloader classes. This is you have to add under this PSR4 standard sections. So I am copying this line and just putting it in my composer.json file. It is here. You can see one double quote is missing here. I just added that, and there is a comma, and everything is ready. Okay, now next step is you have to modify the config app. Yeah, before that make sure that command is get completed, because before adding that it may get error. So you can add our packages. Actually these are the modifications of config app.php files. It actually loads the classes and service providers of our packages. These are the three things you have to add in the provider class, and also you have to add it in the alias class. So here I am going to add it in the config app folder. Here you can see I'm just adding my class dependencies here. Okay, now I am just going to add my aliases, that is here. I will explain all these aliases later. There is few more. Those are input and webconf. Webconf is our facade for site basic settings things. It actually using the cache mechanism also, so there is no load to the system. Okay, now we are setting all those things ready. Now the config auth file you have to modify for creating our guard settings. So guard section you have to add admin guard also. Config auth file, you have to open config auth file. In the guard section you have to add our custom adds, custom this thing, custom guard is added admin, so it gives the facility to for login backend and frontend with different users, because in Laravel 5.3 it's using web as the default guard for the frontend. In our backend it using different guard as admin. You can also use different DB tables for user management of admins, but right now it's fine to go with default user table. Another thing is config the following sections of provider area. In provider area you have to add this guard to. Okay, now the kernel modifications. This kernel modification is also required for our middleware groups, middleware admin. We have ACL manager available with this package, so that is also required, these sections. The rest of the things in this file is fine, so you can close it. Also our app configuration file modification is also done. Now app http kernel, this is the file for middleware web and API middleware. You can see here we are adding our guard admin. You have to also add the root middlewares. We have two root middlewares also. Those are here. This admin middleware for redirect admin and ACL permissions, that you have to copy from here and paste it here. Okay, now it's look good. Now we can check our next step. Next step is vendor publishing and migration running and putting default values. So here we have to check our composer update is completed or not, but it's still working. I think it has some issue with the composer. It might be working, but it was too slow. Okay, I'm just stopping it and just manually check that is available with our vendor folder. It is not yet came, so those updates are not worked yet. So I'm just updating again. Composer update. Okay, actually once you giving this composer update, it will load two files, two libraries like collective HTMLs and it's another dependencies to this our applications. So I'm stopping this. So actually I have another project, it's already loaded there. Just copy pasting those things. This vendor directory I can copy and to here I'm just deleting the current vendor and putting here. Usually this is not required in your steps because it gives a lot of time to my system to fetching some other issues there. That's why it's taking too long. Otherwise the composer update is fine. Okay, the copying is almost done, so I can go through next commands. That is php artisan vendor publish. It's already published everything. Extension values, dashboard package also is published. Now I have to run composer dump auto load -o. This command will load entire class files to the Laravel composer files, so the auto loading classes will be available. Now migration php artisan migrate. Before running this, make sure the db details are set in the env, so all the tables are created and everything is working fine. Now we can go through our browser. The backend can be accessed like this is our test app, just /admin. Yes, here we go. We already got the admin things. The default username and password will be admin laflux and password is 123456. You can just log into that. Admin at laflux.com and 123456. Oh, the credentials are not matching in our record. Oh, that means we are not yet run the seeder. We just run the migrations, so we have to run the seeder also. The next step we have to run the seeder. Here the seeder classes are there. We can just run it. Yes, in our documentation group seeder is there. This group seeder is in place a few default roles that you can alter later if necessary. This extension manager seeder is also required. You have to run that also. Okay, now our database should have default user 123456. Yes, here we go. Here you can see, I'm just not saving. Here you can see there is no menu options, but in our my demo it's already there. These are the different packages available with our platforms, Laflex. You will be able to download all the packages from our website. Those are free packages. Only dashboard packages is paid, so you are free to download all and use everything. Here I'm setting first ACL permission for me. Here I'm logged as a super user, so I'm setting the user permission. It's 2 and 1, and I'm giving all permission for myself. So I will get the user panels and user groups. Here you can see the in jQuery data tables options, all the default user groups are available. You will be able to add, edit, publish, trash everything. This trash is actually a soft delete. The soft delete item can be permanently deleted or temporarily. These trashed soft deleted items can be restored also. Manage users. In the user schemes, you will be able to add new users and filter user groups or user status wise. All these things are available. Now the site title, you can see that it's extension value. The basic configuration is available in the general settings. Here I am giving test app, copyright to test app. This is for just demo purpose. And logo you can upload, and SEO titles, all these things you can add. These are already appearing in our site. So here it's changed our site titles. Also page titles also getting changed. When you are using our default front end page, you will be able to see the meta tags like this. In this component you can see that meta tags is already populated, so basic SEO stuffs is there. Another thing is you can see the extension manager. Here only one package is there, that is a dashboard package. In our site demo you can see lot of packages are there, all are free. These are themes, and types are themes. These are banner components, menu manager, pages, module manager. This is our core component dashboard, and base theme is used for front end. This base theme is necessary for using front end themes. You can see a demo of this base theme also. The site will be available, demo Laflex. These are the base themes. This is actually fully integrated with this platform, so you will be able to check the features of this themes also. Here we are going back to our demo. Here you will get a dashboard. All these values are now at this stage it's dummy, but these graphs and all the assets are available with this template, so you can easily plot these things, and these message systems and all other things can be easily implemented. It's using Laravel events manager. Those kind of functionalities are available here. Calendar, these things are available. All the libraries, necessary libraries are already added to the system. Also the editor is using TinyMCE, that is available with this package. Actually this does not have that thing. I will show you here. Here you can see pages, manage pages. Here I am just showing these are the pages available here. I'm just adding. Here you can see the advanced editor is available. All the features of HTML editing and page handling. The page layout, this taken from our current active template. Also the status of the post, menu manager, banner panel, module manager, menu manager, and user panels. A lot of other packages are available here. Our purpose of our dashboard is almost complete. You can see it's responsive and mobile friendly. This is a good start to your admin panel. You will be able to upload your picture and change your username and password. The default admin username you can change after login. The basic address details you can set. The password is also able to update. The site general settings we saw, access permission we are able to modify. All these things can be customizable. You can install all other our dummy packages, the showed packages here via this admin panel. Only thing you have to make sure is the permissions of packages folder and config app and composer.json should be writable by the default Apache user. Thanks for watching these tutorials. We would like to hear from you any updates or suggestions to this platform. Thank you very much.